Hey guys, this is Matt here at Funtown RV. I wanted to bring you out here today to show you this beautiful camper behind me, this Redwood. If you look at this, look at the decals, the color. I've never seen this green in any other color. As we get around, you'll see a little bit more of that detail. You got your fifth wheel hitch right here up front with that light that's gonna help you see in the dark when you're hooking up at night. You got your dual 30 propane tanks right down here at the bottom. You also have a generator prep area for if you did want to add that generator. Typically, you're not going to need that because with this unit, you're going to be parked at a campground with all the hookups. This is just going to be external storage up here for any of your power cords, tools, or anything that you may need to use while you're out camping. Let's move around to this other side over here. Look at this storage area, guys. Access right inside. This is going to be a heated and controlled area with all your hookups for your hoses, for your vacuum that's going to be on the inside. You also do have access to the vacuum out here so that you can vacuum this space out. A really cool feature, guys, with this that most campers do not have is this shutoff area for your water system, which is labeled. It's going to tell you exactly pinpoint. So if you have a leak somewhere, you're going to be able to turn that knob and cut it off at the source without shutting off all the power or all the water to the entire camper. Moving on, we got more storage right here, guys. Look at that. That's for your chairs, your fishing rods, whatever you bring when you go camping, you can get it right in there, and it's a pass-through storage. So if it shifts to the other side, you just pop the door on the other side and open it up. And as we keep going, you got your nice heavy-duty steps. These are great. You're not gonna trip and fall, with a really nice handrail that makes getting in and out of that camper so much easier. And still, like I said in the beginning, we were talking about these decals. This Redwood has this gorgeous look to it with that green, white, and silver. Moving around to the back, that really nice Redwood logo off the back, and that huge back window set in to give it just that sleek, clean look, almost like you're in a A-class diesel. On the back, you got a tow hitch that's uprated for about 3,000 pounds. So you'll be able to tow that boat, small trailer, things like that. One thing that I love about these things and that more campers should have is this retractable cord. That cord on these systems gets heavy, dirty. It's gonna retract right in. As you're hitting this button, just a small little thing that I like to do is I bring my rag and I hold it here as it's retracting in. It keeps it nice and clean and makes it so much easier when you're setting up your camper. Now, talking about easy, when we get over here, this unit has a 6-point leveling system, automatic. So all you're gonna do is click this button right here, step back, and let it level itself. It's gonna adjust everything. You're gonna watch it. It's absolutely the best thing that they've came out with, in my opinion, across the board. It makes camping so much easier. Everybody wants it, and when you have it, you're gonna love it. Going back to our Water City connection, everything is nice, easy connected. One feature that I love, you can run your water hoses and everything right up through here, through that hole, connect here. That way you don't have hoses hanging outside to where someone can trip on them, rip them off, break that hose, and then you're out of water. This makes it nice, neat, and clean, and enclosed. You got a triple axle system on this unit. So that means you're gonna get that easier ride, more tire, more comfort, and it's gonna tow a lot easier. It's gonna be able to hold this weight of this big unit. Well, guys, let's move on to the inside. I mean, that pretty much covered it. I mean, you see the beauty of this thing. Let's move on to the inside. All right, so we're starting right here. You can see that this Redwood luxury vehicle logo's lit up right now. It's a 412 GK, residential living, climate controlled. It is a awesome, awesome camper. You're gonna have plenty of room for you and your wife. I would call this the couples coach. You look at this space that you're gonna have, nice living room area, really tall ceilings. You're not feeling claustrophobic with that strip lighting that's gonna give you extra light in here. This color scheme, I love it. If you look at it, you got the green with the gold and black handles, accented with the lights going across. His and her recliners. Now, these are gonna have a couple different features on it. You're gonna have heated seats. They're gonna tilt, vibration, and then those will also light up. just those little things that make your experience a little bit better. Now let's say you do have somebody that's coming with you. No big deal. This is gonna pull out right here and make into a bed. So you're not sacrificing space and comfort for someone else that might not be with you all the time, but when they do come with you, you're gonna have that option for a sleeping area. Beautiful fireplace, one of the biggest fireplaces I've ever seen. Gorgeous with that massive TV directed right across from his and her recliners, right where it should be, where you're gonna be comfortable sitting and enjoying. Now, this is the living room. Beautiful ceiling fan, but let's talk about this kitchen, guys. Look at this kitchen. Huge solid surface island with every function that you could possibly have. You got your cutting board, your vegetable washer, another washer for storage, climate controlled so you can control the water, something to fill. This feature I love, I have this in mind. This is your coffee mug glass, juice glass, whatever you got, put it down, spray it up, wash it up, makes things a lot easier, a lot simpler. People love it. Moving back into this area over here, check out the storage, guys. Drawers down in the bottom. These are deep cabinet storage. Also that nice soft close. So you're not worried about them banging or shutting, and these are nice and sturdy, so you're not gonna have anything coming out on you. Love the glass, so you can see what you got in there. So for your cups, your plates, whatever, you can see what you have. And this storage just keeps going, it doesn't end. You got it on all sides. Here. Play a good place for your silverware. Nice big storage. They utilize the storage underneath the sink, where a lot of campers, you lose that because of the sink being there. Now, we can talk about storage all day because that's what this unit has, is storage. But let's talk about a feature you don't see every day, a dishwasher. Yes, this unit comes standard with a dishwasher right here built into the island. Great feature for that long-term living. Big residential microwave, residential refrigerator, so that when you're doing your extended camping, whether you're full-time or just like to get away for the winter, this is it's gonna be just like being at home. Still moving in the kitchen. It seems like we've been here a while with all this storage and everything that we got in here, but we're gonna continue on. 4 stove, 4 burner top with this gorgeous vent system and that deep oven. This isn't your standard RV oven. This is what I like to call the turkey oven. You can fit that whole turkey in there. It's gonna be able to get multiple things on those shelves so that you can be cooking 2 things at the same time, saving time and getting your food out faster. And again, we're just gonna keep on going with storage. I don't think it ends. Everywhere you go, you got storage. Another neat thing, I like the little things. You got a place to put your jackets when you come in, your hat, your keys, a place to store, and a little bench. Sit down, take your shoes off. Those little things matter when you start missing those things that you normally have at your home in your camper, and you start realizing, hey, I really like that. Another feature that I wanted to touch before we move on to the bedroom is this kitchen table. Now this table's got a release right here, and it extends out, and it keeps on going. Look at that. So you can get that additional 4 people on this table set, and all you do is bring this back down, lock it in, slides. Again, pull this lever on the other side, and that slides back. So if you want a little desk area, office area, and then you also have a Connect charger right there. You can place your phone to charge. Just place your phone right on it and charge it. All right, guys, right here we have your central vac system. Check this out. What I love about it, you kick this up and it's going. Listen to how quiet that is. In a lot of these campers, that's a super loud system. This is nice and quiet. You can barely hear it. You can sweep all that dirt that's coming in from the outside, because this is where it all comes, right? When you walk up those steps, especially when you bring those steps up and flip them in, always there's gonna be dirt on those steps that are gonna fall right here. Sweep it up, and when you wanna turn it off, you just step on it like that. There is an attachment at the bottom for a hose. Those hoses are located underneath in that front storage compartment, but so that you can extend and vacuum some other areas of the whole place. You got your touchpad on command. This is gonna control the entire camper. Lots of different options here, but it's all single touch, whatever you want. If you want to turn the ceiling light on, turn on your slides, open your slides. This has 3 slides, guys. 2 big slides in the back, 1 slide in the bedroom. Let's move into this bathroom. Take a look at this bathroom, guys. It just keeps on going. You got big storage. Like storage is just what I'm gonna say every time, because that's all this has. Plenty of it. A nice, comfortable area for the actual toilet here. Plenty of room and space. And as we keep on moving, what camper do you know that has 2 sinks in it? Not just a his and her, but 2 separate sinks. A beautiful mirror right here with a light so that you can get ready in the morning, do your makeup, brush your teeth, whatever it is you're doing. And again, we're gonna continue with this soft close on everything, not just in the bathroom or in the bedroom or in the kitchen, but everywhere throughout this camper, you're gonna find that soft close. Look at the shower, guys. And I'm gonna have you come this way a little bit because you gotta see, look at all the nozzle options. This isn't something you see in a camper. This is something you see in that $1 million bathroom on an Airbnb out there on MTV. I mean, it's just something crazy you just don't see. And it's an awesome feature that we have. King size bed. Look at that bed. Now, with this bed, this has also got a tilt system. So if you and the wife like to sit in and watch TV in the morning or at night, you can crank this up, give you some back support. And that is a really fast recline. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's not slow, it's quick. Going in, again, storage, storage, storage. Everywhere you look, there's storage. Soft close on every single one of these. And it continues on and on. These are some deep, deep cabinets. Closet space. There you can close, all your clothes can hang in there, but that's not it. That's just one. That's probably just your husband's. Here you go. This entire thing is for your clothes, all the way across. It continues, and you got more storage down here. Now, another feature that is awesome for these campers, and that this comes with automatically. Look at that, guys. Washer and dryer right in your bedroom, right next to your bathroom. You can come in, take your clothes off, pop these open, throw it in, start your load and move on with your day. You're not having to run up to the laundromat. And you know, it's great for those quick, you know, hey, I got my shirt dirty at dinner. Let me just toss it in there and let's wash it quick. I wanted to touch base too, guys. You got an AC unit up in the front, and you also got one in the back. So you got plenty, whether you want to be cold, hot, whatever you want in comfort, you're gonna have that option in this unit with that fiberglass body and that climate guard protection with that extra insulation. You're gonna feel like you're at your house. This thing is a house on wheels for you and your wife to go traveling wherever you wanna go. Come check this out. We're gonna keep on going. You got a TV in the bedroom as well, but like I said, guys, storage, storage, storage. And the nice thing is, this is right by the front door, so you can do your coats, your sweaters, your flannels, whatever it is, your colder weather stuff, your thicker stuff, right here, easy access. And again, we're just gonna keep on going with this storage. Guys, this is an absolutely gorgeous camper. If you're looking to do some extended camping, a couples coach, whether it's you, the wife, whatever the situation may be, this camper is gonna suit every need that you need. I just wanna say thank you so much from everybody here at Funtown RV. Please like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Talk about a feature you don't see every day, a dishwasher. Yes, this unit comes standard with a dishwasher right here built into the